Now I'm going to talk about conclusion paragraphs. There are several ways that you can write a conclusion paragraph, and it's really not very difficult. You can keep your conclusion paragraph pretty short, like you do with your introduction paragraph. One way you can write a conclusion is to summarize the major points from the body of your essay. You can also restate the thesis. Restate means to tell it in a different way, so you would use different vocabulary and different grammar, but say the same thing that you said in your thesis statement. You can also end your conclusion with a final thought for your reader to think about. Do not state new information in your conclusion. You should state all of your new information in the body of the essay. So if you think of something else that you want to say, don't put it in the conclusion. Go back and find an appropriate place in the body to put that new thought. Remember the sample essay that we were looking at. We're going to write a conclusion paragraph for that essay. When you're writing your conclusion, think about your thesis statement and your topic sentences. This was my thesis statement from before, and these were the 3 topic sentences for the body paragraphs. Here's one conclusion that I could write. It's very short, it only has 2 sentences. In conclusion, learning a new language as an adult may be difficult, but the benefits are worth it. Everyone can appreciate a broader perspective on the world, better job opportunities, and improved mental function. Let's look at how I came up with that. Remember the thesis statement here on the left said, "With a more international world, every citizen should learn to speak a second language." The first sentence in the conclusion paragraph kind of repeats that idea when it says that the benefits are worth it. And then to see where we got the second sentence in the conclusion, think back at the topic sentences. The conclusion sentence summarized those 3 topic sentences. Some other ways that you can end your essay are to predict an outcome. For example, more people will buy electric cars when the price becomes affordable. That would be an outcome that you're predicting, and that could end your essay. You can also make a suggestion. Electric cars should be made more affordable so that people can buy them. Or you can call for action. That means asking people to do something. People should tell their lawmakers that they want electric cars to be more easily available. So in addition to summarizing the main points of the essay and repeating the thesis statement, you could use these 3 methods, and you can also use a combination of all of these. Just remember, your conclusion paragraph only needs to be a few sentences.